Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pow Sky from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the face with a large U curve. Next, let's move in and add the eyes, starting with the left side. Let's draw a large circle right here. And then the right eye in the same way. And now inside each eye, let's add another larger circle, and it's okay if it's a little bit wonky. And now color each of these in black. Next, let's add a pointed V shape on the outside here for the eyelashes. And color both of them in black. Next, let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve on the left that comes into the center, and the same on the right. And then connect them in the center with a small curve. And that's it for the face. Let's draw the hair next. On the left side, let's draw a curve over and out. And the same on the right. Now let's follow that same curve above each of the eyes. And then a curved piece of hair in the center. Next, let's hop up and we're going to draw a large curve over to the right and back down next to the face. And the same thing on the left side. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curved piece of hair up and back down. And the same thing on the right side. Then on both sides, a pointed piece down like this. And now let's stop here for the hair and finish it off after we draw the body. Let's move under the head now and draw diagonal lines down for each side of the body. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the shirt. Next, inside the shirt, I'm going to draw a checkmark shape. I'm going to draw it black for now and then change it red later. Now from the outside, let's add an angled line down and then in for the top of the sleeve. And the same thing on the right. Next, we're going to hop down and draw the skirt. Let's step in from the shirt and draw two small angles down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop to the outside and draw the arms. Underneath the sleeve, let's draw a small angle down and then a curve back into the skirt. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's move down under the skirt and add the feet. Let's start with two angles down for each leg. and then a curve across the bottom. Now from the outside, let's draw a curve out and back in for the foot. And the same thing for the right foot. And that's it for the body. Now let's finish off the bottom of the hair. Let's curve it in to the sleeve on both sides. And lastly, this part is optional, but I'm going to add an oval at the bottom of her feet for the shadow. And that's it for Sky. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!